Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to comment on Fandom. So if you want to comment on the post on Fandom, it is actually very easy. For that, first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You'll not be able to comment via the application. Once you open the browser, tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is fandom.com. You'll actually have to go to the Fan Central interface. So for that, simply type in /fan central /home. Now search for it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the Fan Central interface of Fandom. Now over here you'll be able to find various posts. What you have to do is simply go to the specific post in which you want to comment. Once you do that, right over here you'll be able to find the icons for liking and commenting. Simply tap on the comment icon. Now once you do that, you'll be able to comment on that post. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for what do you think. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to share your thoughts. Simply type in your comment. Once you do that, you can also attach the files and photos if you want. Now simply tap on this option, create reply, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, your comment will be posted in that particular article. My account is not more than 4 days old, that's why my comment is not being posted. But your comment will be posted in that particular article. So like this, you'll be able to comment. So that is how you comment on Fandom. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.